Which way?
That side.
Yeah. Oh, look what I see. Is something coming?
Toothpaste.
What's there?
Toothpaste.
Okay. Something coming?
Oh, toothpaste!
Yes, there's a train. I know. Very exciting, Joey. Careful, is the train coming? Okay. It's coming that side? Okay, you can see the train coming that side. Very exciting. Okay, you ready? Is it going to come this way? Is it coming that way? You going to wave to the train? Yes, look. It's coming soon. There it is. Wave to the train driver. Ready? 1, 2, 3, wave. Wave, go bye-bye. Good boy. There it goes. Hey? What, where? Where's more train? Where? No, that's it. Okay, Joey. Was that good? Joey. Okay, Joey. Finny, come. Let's go find Mama.
No.
Joey, come on.
Daddy, toothpaste.
Huh? Oh, Joey. Oh, Joey, you said one more an hour ago, Gugu. But Joey, we've seen enough trains for today. We've seen 4 trains, I think, already. Come on.
Daddy, look.
Alright, well,
Wait.
okay.